السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is for my kids, for my 5 kids. I'm trying to help you guys with math. As you see on the screen, my beloved kids, the complete middle school study guide. Everything you need to ace math. And I know most of my kids, they have problem with math. We're gonna understand that math is a language. Like English, it's a language. Like French is a language. You need to know the language of math. And because math is a language, it has its own vocabulary and it has its own terminology and its own concepts, because that's composed the language of mathematics. So my purpose to teach you the language of math. Math is a language, like Arabic language, like French, like English language. So this is my purpose, is to teach you the language of math. And let's begin. This is the book you need to follow in order to learn the language of math. Okay, Louis? Yes, this is your dad talking. Remember, I love you. And I'm doing this, Louis, for you, because I love you. Because I know you have a problem with the language of math. And this is for you, Jana. I love you too, and I love everybody of you. This is for my kids, because I know they have a problem with math, and because they busy with the homework, I hope they will have the time to watch those videos and learn the language of math from their own dad. Okay. Well, we should start. We start with the number system. That's what we're gonna start with. We're gonna learn the language of numbers. Okay. This is the first terminology. Whole numbers. What's whole numbers? What's whole numbers in the language of math? A number with no fractional or decimal part. Cannot be negative. Example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on until infinity. So the first terminology and the first concept you need to know: whole numbers. When the teacher says whole numbers, or when a mathematician says whole numbers, what they mean by whole numbers? They mean a number with no fractional or decimal part. As you see on the screen, see, it starts with 0 and it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the meaning of whole number as you see on the screen. You need to know this because this is the part of the language of math. Now another terminology, natural numbers. That's another terminology and concept in the language of math. Whole numbers from 1 and up. So what's the difference between natural numbers and the whole numbers? This is whole numbers and this is natural numbers. The difference, that whole numbers has 0, but natural numbers we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but whole numbers we start from 0. That's the difference between whole numbers and natural numbers in the language of math. I think this is enough for this video. You gotta know those two. Okay, you gotta know those two things in this video. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes on to infinity. Natural numbers, we don't start from 0, we start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until infinity. So this is the first lesson, whole numbers, natural numbers. I need you to memorize these terminologies in order to learn the language of math. Like when you learn Arabic, you learn words. كيف حالك? How are you in English? You learn, for example, in English, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, the alphabet. Same thing with math. You need to learn the language of math. So I hope I make it simple enough for everybody, for you guys, to learn the language of math. I love you all. Assalamu alaikum.